Today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a hole in a wall fast and easy.
I'm going to show you how to match a knockdown texture on a wall repair using the Knockdown texture sponge.
Alright, so I'm going to be using the 6x6 wall repair patches by Tool Pro. Just want that to go away. All you want to do is place it centered on the hole.
Let me know in the comments what kind of hole you're trying to repair.
On the side, pressure on the left, lifting the right. Pressure on the right side, lifting on the left.
Be sure to stick around to the end of the video, and I'm going to leave a link to each full-length repair video and texture matching video in the end card. Sanded and ready for texture matching.
Okay, I'm going to match the knockdown texture on this hole patch. I'm going to use the knockdown texture sponge by the Texture Master. Alright, so I'm going to use the knockdown texture sponge to match the knockdown texture. What you want to do is just get it in the mud, get it up there. We'll work with it once we get the patch covered. You want to concentrate it on the patch, then we'll blend it out into the existing texture.
I'll leave links to all the tools I used in this video down in the description, and I'll also pin a comment with those links.
I'm dabbing and pulling and watching the joint compound lift up.
Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious.
Alright, the knockdown's ready to get knocked down. I've waited about 5-6 minutes. So I'm going to use my Lexan knockdown knife. I recommend using these. A regular drywall taping knife will work, but it tends to flatten out the texture a little more than the Lexan does. So here we go. Got to have a light touch. You don't want to push too hard or it's going to smush it out. It also depends on what kind of knockdown you're trying to match.
Leave me a hashtag drywall tube down in the comments if you're enjoying these videos. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description. Allow 12 to 24 hours to completely dry, then always use a quality latex primer when you do a drywall repair. Now it's okay just to spot prime the repaired and newly textured area and then just paint the wall as normal. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching.